Hello, everyone. My name is Luis. I hope all of you are okay. So, first of all, I just want to start with how was your lecture today?
Good.
Yeah, it was good.
Can you talk a little more about that? What did you discuss today? What was the topic?
We went through the LaGuardia page to see what classes we need to take for our majors.
Okay, so did you see your degree map? Or do you know what is a degree map? Okay, I'm gonna assume that there is a no. So, so first of all, I'm gonna start with some announcements. So far I know that some of you have some questions in the Slack group. So also I know that some of you already have a Slack account, so you can just go and ask as many questions as you have. So I'm gonna show you my Slack account. Okay, so feel free to join the Slack channel. As you can see here, students can make questions and I will post announcement every single day if I have something to tell you. Also, I can post some workshops, as you can see in that last announcement that I made, that Columbia was offering today, and I don't think, yes, today, and the next one is in 29th, so you can just attend it. It's totally free. If you are interested in geoscience, so you can just go to this link over here in Eventbrite, so you can just click it, and once you do it, it will just ask you some questions about your name and email, so you can just register for free, as you can see here, and you can just attend a workshop from Columbia University. There are two parts. The first part was today. It doesn't matter if you miss the first part, you can just attend the second part. And yeah, take this chance to learn more about geoscience if you are interested in this major. So let me go back to the Slack group. So as I said, I will keep posting announcements here. So you will see it not only in the Blackboard, but also in the Slack. I don't use so much email because I know that some of you doesn't take a look daily, but I will encourage you to go to your email and check daily, because not only me, but also your professor from different classes will send you emails. So it is important to keep checking your emails daily. So now, I also told you the last class, if you can start writing your biography for today's class, we will create an e-portfolio and you will have to create the first page, which is basically your biography. And if you had the time during the weekend to do it, I also had some students who sent me an email of how can you write it. If I have an example, I also posted over here, as you can see. This is one of my students from the previous semester. So she made a biography and sent it to me in the first class. So I also have some students who did it in this class, and I also checked some of them. So you can just copy and paste that biography that you already made it, and you can just post it in the e-portfolio that we are going to create today. Oh, yeah, Professor Tony. Yeah, yeah, I will send you an email. Okay, so now, since I already showed you the first class about the e-portfolio, I also show you how can you have access to your account. And also I posted in Blackboard if you have any technical problem with your email, with your LaGuardia email. So you can just go to that link that I posted in Blackboard, and also I think in Slack. So you can just go to that link and talk to the IT support so they can help you to get access to your LaGuardia account, your LaGuardia email, Blackboard, any technical problem that you have. So now, because we are going to start creating the portfolio, this is going to be the first step. Once you have it, you can start doing your following assignment for the next classes. If you have any technical problems now during the class, you can also talk to Tenshin, who is the STM, the Student Technical Technology Mentor. So if you go to the participants in this class, you will see it. You can just send in an email or a message here. And let me see it. Tenzin, are you here? Oh yeah, I can see you. Okay, can you introduce yourself, please?
Yeah. Hey everyone. So like Lou said, my name is Tenzin. I'm a STM, which is a student technology mentor. Yeah, if you need any help regarding anything regarding technology, feel free to email me, or I think I'm also in a Slack, and you can message me there too if you want. And I'll give my email in the chat. If you want, you can take a note of that. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So as you heard, you can just talk to Tenzin if you have any problem with your e-portfolio. Not only me, you have both of us. So let us know. Communication is the first key to success, to find success in this class. So I'm gonna start with logging to my e-portfolio. So I hope all of you that you have a computer or also an iPad. I don't think cell phones are gonna be easier to create an e-portfolio, but if you are using a cell phone, please let me know in the chat now so I can understand that you will need more help. So I assume that, okay, I have one student who is using a phone. Anyone else is using a phone? Okay, only one. Okay, so Muhammad, if you have Google Chrome or Firefox in your cell phone, I think you can create an e-portfolio. If not, I will try to help you during the class. If you have any question, please let me know. I'm gonna start showing the instructions of how to create an e-portfolio. So I need you to let me know if I'm going too fast. Okay, so first thing, I need all of you to go to your LaGuardia account. So you can just go to Google. And then as you know, you can just type LAGCC and then you press enter. Once you do that, you can just go to my LaGuardia. And then you just use your username and your password, which I hope all of you know your username and password. If you don't know, please let me know. Once you're here, I will need you to go to the eTools and then you go to ePortfolio. Once you are in your ePortfolio, I need all of you to let me know if you see kind of a similar page. If you see a different page, please let me know.
I just see all my classes.
Okay. I mean, but you can get into your LaGuardia, to your ePortfolio account, right? You can have access.
Yeah.
Okay. Does any of you already, well, all of you have access to your ePortfolio? If any of you are having a problem getting access to your ePortfolio account, please let me know now so I can wait for you. Okay. Thank you, Henry, for answer. So I'm gonna start with the second step. Once you're here, I need you to go to homepage. Can you see here this house icon? You click it homepage. Once you click the homepage, you can see in the right side of your computer, of your screen, you will see the plus sign. Can you see it? If you see it, please click it.
Can you repeat that?
I don't see a plus.
Yeah,
sign.
of course. So once you are in your ePortfolio account, you have to click in homepage. It's not gonna look like mine, but I just wanted to click it on the homepage. And once you click it, I expect that you can see the plus icon, the blue plus icon in the right side of your screen. Can you see that?
I don't see that.
Yeah.
You don't see it?
No.
Press the thing that's there instead. It'll take you.
Plus, if they are a new student, there won't be the plus sign.
Okay.
If someone can share the screen, it will be easy for you to show them.
Let me, just give me a second. Okay, Tenzin, can you share your screen?
It won't be in mine also, since I'm not a new student.
Okay, so let me check this out.
Maybe you can ask one of the students to share the screen.
Yeah, okay. If I do that, but I can make a co-host. Does any of you who are using a computer can share your screen? Okay, Henry, I will appreciate it. You can share your screen so I can see exactly what is the problem that you have. Are you already in your ePortfolio account? Okay. Can you share your screen? I think you can see that in the lower side of your screen. Okay, just give me a second. Okay, there you go. So can you share your screen, please? Okay, perfect.
Yeah, that's what I get too.
Okay, can you click in create from scratch template?
No, not that one, not that one. No, go back, go back.
Okay, click cancel.
Click on show more. What's the template we're gonna use for this class?
Liberal arts. Slides. Okay, you have it there.
Yep.
Okay. Okay, just stop there. Can all of you do the same process? Click cancel again, please.
Which play?
Yeah, just give me a second. Henry, can you please cancel? Or just go back? Okay, you will see this page. Click show more. Once you click show more, wait, don't click anything. Just once you click show more, you will see different templates. So you will need to click liberal arts, math, and science. Can you see? It's in the lower part of your screen, and it's in the left side. Liberal arts, math, and science. Core portfolio template. Can you see it?
Got it.
Okay. I need you, all of you, to click it. That specific template, liberal arts, math, and science. Don't click any other, just that one. Okay, Henry, can you please click it? Thank you. So now, once you click it, you will see this similar page. And in the title, you will have to write your name and last name, full name. Once you type for the title your full name, you will need to click okay, I first need to know, all of you already wrote your full name?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
perfect.
Yeah.
So now once you type for the title your full name, you can just click create at the bottom. Don't click it yet, Henry. I need all of you to see the click the button create. Can you see the create button? It's in the bottom side of your screen.
Yeah.
Okay, click it, create. Okay, Henry, you can click create. Thank you. So now it's gonna take probably 2 to 5 minutes to create your e-portfolio because all of you are doing it in the same time. Once your e-portfolio is created, please wait until all of us has already created the e-portfolio.
From now it's sufficient, so Luis, you can show yours.
Henry, can you hear me? Can you please click in participants? In the Zoom application, you will see participants, not in e-portfolio. In the Zoom application, if you're using it, you will see participant, chat, and other options. Can you go to participants? Once you go to participants, you will see there are 2 buttons, mute and more. Can you click on more? In my name, which is Luis de la Cruz. When you go to my name in participants for Luis de la Cruz, you will see the button, there is an option that it says more. You click it and you make me host. Thank you. Mohammed, can you please let me know if you are in the same step or are you having any problem with creating a portfolio? Okay, perfect. So now, how many of you already can see this page?
Me.
Okay,
I got a thing. It says the creation process is taking longer than expected to complete. We will notify you by email
okay.
when it's
Yeah, you need to
Meanwhile-
wait a little more time.
Yeah,
So
I
we
got
are
that
gonna
too.
wait. So I'm gonna give 2 more minutes. So I hope that the portfolio page can go faster this time. I'm gonna post a poll and please answer. Okay, I see that only 9 students has answered the poll. There are 3 students left. Can you please answer? Okay, does any of you already is still creating a portfolio? So far in the poll, only 1 student had technical problems, or well, he didn't create it yet. So please let me know. As I said, please, if you have any questions, please write it in the chat, or you can just unmute and let me know that I'm going fast or you are missing some step. Okay, Sammy. So now, while we wait, some students who are still waiting to create a e-portfolio, for those students who already have their e-portfolio, can you take a look at that page? I mean, you can just scroll down slowly and see how the About Me page looks. So as you can see, the e-portfolio of Henry, who is sharing right now, you will have a similar page. And for today's assignment is just to write the About Me statement, which is basically a biography, your bio. So I received some bios during the weekend, so you can just post it. If you didn't create it in one, so you can just do it now. So now I need you, exactly, Henry, can you just stay there? In the About Me statement, you can just click in the pen icon. Can you see the pen icon? Perfect. Once you click it, you can start writing your bio. So at this part, I will share my screen. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing. While my portfolio is gonna be created, I will show you my previous portfolio. Yes, Fabio. So let me see if I can share it with you. Okay, perfect. Then Kiwi portfolio. So now I already made some changes to my portfolio. As you can make as many changes as you want. So now for the About Me statement, you can just write in this section your bio. That bio can be can start with your background, your full name, last name, major. You can introduce yourself in the first paragraph. In the second paragraph, you can start talking about hobbies, interests, reasons why you pick your major, why did you pick LaGuardia. And in the third paragraph, you can just write about your short and long-term goals and how do you expect to achieve them by attending LaGuardia or any other way that you can achieve that specific long-term goal. So I also post that in the Slack group, as you can see here. I posted in the announcement that you can begin introducing yourself with your name, major, and background. Then you need to explain reasons you choose your major and LaGuardia. Also, you can talk about your skills, hobbies, job experiences, or anything else that you want to share that is unique about you. Also, you need to mention your goals, which can be short and long-term goals, and how do you expect to achieve them. So that you can just write it in your About Me statement. Okay, I already created mine. So now, remember, what you can do is just when you go to About Me statement, you can click the pen icon over here. You click the pen icon, and if you see this gray box, you can just click this icon over here in this 4 squares icon. You click it, and then it will disappear. You won't see it anymore. Remember, you see this gray box, click this icon over here. And then the pen icon needs to be blue. When it's blue, you can select everything here and you can delete it, these nonsense words. And then you can just start writing your about me, which is, you can start by typing my name is, your background, interests, hobbies, long-term and short-term goal. So you will have that time. So I'm gonna give you for, let me see, 10 more minutes to write your about me statement. If you don't have enough time to complete it, you have until Sunday midnight. Remember, that will be the deadline for every single assignment from now on, as I said in the first lecture. So in the first class, sorry, you will have time until Sunday midnight, but I encourage you to try to finish it by tonight or at least by tomorrow, because I don't want you to do it in the last moment and then suddenly the e-portfolio is not gonna work for any reasons. So you can expect from in this semester or in the following semester that either Blackboard, ePortfolio, or some tools are not gonna work every single day, 7/24. For some reasons, the Blackboard and ePortfolio can be updated, and that process it can take for 3, 4, or 5 hours. So I don't want you to struggle with that moment that you cannot change your ePortfolio. Oh, no. For the title, forget about the title right now. I need you to focus in the about me, because this is the most important step. Then I will show you how to change it. So now by 3 p.m., I hope all of you have already write at least one paragraph. If you already did it, your bio during the weekend, you can just copy and paste it over here. Okay, just give me a second. Okay, Sammy, if you still see that page that is still creating, can you cancel and do it again? So so you cancel it. Let me see if I can show you. Okay, just give me 1 second.
I just canceled it, and when I went back to do it again, it said that it was already there.
Oh, okay. So it's already there. So you can just go and have access to that portfolio.
I'm good now, thanks.
Kevin, are you talking about the about me statement? Okay, if you are in the about me statement, click the pen icon. Once you click the pen icon, it needs to be blue. One is blue, you can select everything and then delete it. The about me is in the first section. When you are in the home page, you will see about me statement. Once you're in the about me statement, you can just click the pen icon, select everything, and then delete it. And you can start typing your bio. Also, if you need any extra help with your ePortfolio, my office hours are Tuesday. So you need any one-on-one to a meeting. So you can just send me in the Slack group or an email, but I would prefer you send me in the Slack a direct message, and we can schedule on Tuesday a specific time that you have available, and I can help you with your portfolio. Only Tuesdays. Okay. So I'm gonna give you a reference, Kevin. Just give me a moment, Mohammed. I'm gonna show you right now. Just give me a second. Yes, 3 paragraphs. So for example, I have another student here. This was for the last semester. So you can have an idea how long it can be. So as I say, you can start with your full name, introducing yourself, background, then start talking about your major, why did you pick it, about your long and short-term goals, hobbies, any hobbies that you have, interests. So you can just talk about that in the about me statement. So now I need you just to focus in the about me statement. Then I will show you how can you change this title over here for your name. And Mohammed, I'm gonna make you a host so you can share your screen, and then you will need to make me a host again, okay? For some reason I cannot make a co-host. I don't know why. Okay, Mohammed, can you share your screen, please? I already make you a host.
Can you stop sharing so maybe he can see it?
Oh, did I stop sharing my screen?
Yep.
Okay. Okay. What about now, Mohammed? Can you can still share your screen? There you go. Okay. Oh, you are not, you haven't logged into your portfolio yet, right? Can you just try to click in login? Yeah, can you? Exactly. Your username and password is the same as your LaGuardia account username. Oh, you don't need to type that. It's enough with your first name and last name. And the at live LaGuardia Quioniero is not. It's not necessary, but well.
Can you remove the at life.cuny?
Yeah.
Just put your first name dot last name and 1.
Everything after the number 1, delete it, please.
Your password is your CUNY ID and last 2 digit of your date of birth.
It's not letting me.
Is this how you log into LaGuardia? My LaGuardia?
Yeah,
You use the same username?
it's not allowed.
Okay. So can you make me host again, please?
All right. How do I do that?
You go to participants.
Uh-huh.
Then you look for my name, which is Luis de la Cruz. And then you will see the option more. You click it, and then you will see make a host.
Oh, I see.
Thank you. So now